Hello, today I want to show you how to adjust cable extension from Kromer Balancer. Before we start, please pay attention to the menu. You can find this menu from our website. Everyone knows that Kromer Balancer is always delivered with cable extension. The cable extension is very useful, so you can adjust the cable length to suit your ergonomic needs. It's important that after the adjustment, you cut the rest of the cable extension for safety reasons. Let me show you how to do it. To adjust the cable extension, first remove the hook. Then you just pull both cables together towards the wedge. If sometimes it's too hard, and you can use a screwdriver to press it, and you see the cable lock will come out. Leave it on the side. It's important because we need it later. Now you can adjust the cable length according to the needs. Put the wedge lock back, pull the cable together to lock the wedge. So you can see we have this extra cable length. After the adjustment we don't need, so we need to cut it. First, use the delivered aluminum press to secure the rest of the cable. After this step, you just cut the rest of the cable as much as possible to the press clamp. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. You can find more videos on our YouTube channel. See you next time.